On this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, we've got an employee car up in the air, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install a set of AxleBacks. Now, just in case you guys didn't already know, an AxleBack is basically the portion of your exhaust from the axles to the back of the car. Now, not literally, it doesn't literally start where the axles are on the stock exhaust. It is basically the muffler portions of this exhaust. So when you are looking at an AxleBack, most of you guys are looking to delete those mufflers to get some more sound out of your car and get bigger tips, whether they're stainless steel or burnt blue tips, and you save a little bit of weight by getting rid of those mufflers. But most of the time, you guys are just worried about the exhaust note. So let's get to the install. We're going to be working on the driver's side portion here, but both sides are the same process. You've got two 14mm nuts and bolts that you're going to remove. If these are really rusty or you can't get them off, shoot some PB Blaster on there to help loosen them up. Once those two nuts and bolts are removed, all that's left to deal with are the two hangers. There's one on the inside portion of the mufflers towards the back, and then the second one is on the outside towards the wheel. It also helps to spray some WD-40 on these to help them slide out easier, and it really helps to have an exhaust hanger tool like I have here. There we go. With that removed, if you take a look at the flange on the mid pipe, there is a stock gasket here that we can take off because most of the AxleBacks are going to supply a new gasket for that area right there. And the next step is to install your new AxleBacks. Again, spray down those hangers so they slide in easier, just like that. Now this AxleBack I'm installing right here is the Remark Boso Edition AxleBack that is available for pre-order on our website right now. This is the stainless steel tips, but they also have blue tips as well. Now I just got to get a gasket in here and the new bolts in and tighten it down. And that is pretty much all you have to do to turn that into something like this. Just a 14mm socket, ratcheting wrench, some PB Blaster maybe, WD-40, a lift. Just kidding, you don't need a lift. Jack and jack stands, and you're set. It's super easy, which is one of the reasons why these AxleBacks are so popular. They're a simple and cost-effective way of completely changing how your car sounds. So if you want to check out some AxleBacks that are available on our website, check out the links down in the description. And if you guys have any questions or video requests, leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys later. We're going to be at Grid Life Road Atlanta this week. So be sure to check out some coverage once we get that out on our YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and whatever else we post on. I'll see you guys.